Hello, welcome to BX1. Here I will show you how to highlight mouse pointer in Windows 10. It's easy steps. First we need to download cursor file. Then search mouse setting option. Go to mouse menu. In right side can see additional mouse option. In new window select pointer option. Below you can see browse option. Click browse button and select downloaded cursor file. Then click apply. That's it. Awesome. You want to revert the action. Click Use Default button. It will retain default mouse pointer in Windows. You can check out variety of mouse pointer available. Check out the below description box for download suitable cursor file. Hope it's easy method. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.